Next up in our crystal deep dive series is Larimar. Found only in the Dominican Republic, Larimar carries a cooling, serene energy that feels almost like the ocean itself. Its soft blue tones reflect its connection to the element of water. Energetically, Larimar is known for its ability to calm fears, ease stress, and gently dissolve negative emotions. It supports emotional healing by helping you release what feels heavy and reconnect with the sense of inner peace. Larimar is also deeply connected to the throat chakra. It's often used to support clear, compassionate communication, especially when it comes to expressing your emotions honestly and calmly. Rather than intense or overpowering energy, Larimar works in a soothing way. It inspires serenity, emotional strength, and a steady sense of well-being. If you're feeling overwhelmed, disconnected, or struggling to communicate what's in your heart, Larimar is often turned to as a stone of calm, clarity, and emotional flow. Now let's get into the geology of Larimar. Larimar is a rare and captivating crystal. This serene blue stone is a unique variety of pectolite, a mineral that forms in cavities within volcanic rocks. Its signature sky blue and turquoise colors are caused by trace amounts of copper infused during its formation, giving the stone its ocean-like tones. Larimar is found almost exclusively in the Dominican Republic, making it incredibly rare. Millions of years ago, volcanic activity created the perfect pockets within basalt for Larimar to grow. Hot mineral-rich water slowly crystallized inside these cavities, layering white, blue, and turquoise swirls that make every stone completely unique. Larimar has a Mohs hardness of around 4.5 to 5, which makes it relatively soft compared to other gemstones. Because of this, it is often polished to highlight its stunning colors and patterns, while also protecting it from scratches and damage. Beyond its visual beauty, Larimar is a reminder of the dynamic power of the earth. The layers, swirls, and waves in each stone tell the story of volcanic fire meeting oceanic calm. Do you ever feel like your mind is racing and you need a moment of calm? Do you wish you could express your thoughts more clearly and speak from the hearts? If this resonates with you, then Larimar may be the perfect crystal to work with. Larimar is often called the stone of serenity, and there are many simple ways to work with its calming energy in daily life. Holding Larimar during meditation can help quiet the mind and encourage emotional balance. Many people place Larimar near the throat or heart while meditating to support peaceful communication and inner clarity. One of the easiest ways to connect with Larimar is by wearing it as jewelry. Pendants are especially popular because they sit close to the throat chakra, which may help encourage calm expression, honest communication, and emotional release throughout the day. Some people like to keep Larimar on a desk, bedside table, or in a meditation space to bring a gentle sense of calm and balance to the atmosphere. Because Larimar is associated with peace, intuition, and emotional healing, it is often used when setting intentions around communication, self-expression, and inner harmony. Be sure to keep your Larimar cleansed so it doesn't hold on to negative energy. You can cleanse Larimar with moonlight, sound, smoke, or by placing it near cleansing crystals like selenite. Larimar invites a sense of tranquility, clarity, and connection. It's like carrying a small piece of the ocean with you wherever you go. Which crystal would you like to hear a deep dive on next?